Hello lovelies, you're so welcome to Cassia Naturals. In today's video, we're going to make a DIY deep conditioner for hair growth. We're going to use some oil, aloe vera, bananas, and some honey. So make sure that you watch this video until to the end. So like I'm trying out this DIY conditioner after a long time, almost a year. So we'll start with our aloe. Make sure that you wash your aloe to remove any yellow latex, that poisonous content, and make sure that you cut it on the edges, remove the spiny edges. So the reason why we are using aloe is for hydration. One of the major benefits of aloe for hair is its nourishing and hydrating properties. So this ingredient retains water and provides your hair with a burst of intense hydration. Aloe vera hair treatment. When you treat your hair with aloe, it will deeply nourish and repair dry and lifeless hair. So incorporating the aloe vera in your hair care routine will help you majorly reduce the dryness of your locks. Aloe will also strengthen your hair. So studies have shown that aloe vera can help improve the health of your hair and help strengthen them. Aloe vera contains vitamins A, C, and E, which contributes to cell turnover, promoting hair cell growth and shiny hair. These nutrients make aloe vera for hair strengthening very effective. So the best way to strengthen your hair with aloe is by incorporating a hair mask for dry hair into your routine. So hair masks actually are packed with potent ingredients that deeply nourish your hair while helping you combat your hair wars. So aloe is very hydrating. It will hydrate and nourish your hair while helping you strengthen your hair. So the benefits of aloe for your hair and skin are actually endless. So once you introduce the goodness of aloe vera into your hair regimen, you'll notice your hair getting healthier, bouncier, and feeling nourished. And you'll say goodbye to your bad hair days and start using aloe vera in your DIY. So that is how it looks like. Then we'll go to our bananas. So bananas will help with hair that is frizzy due to bananas' high silica content. Silica is absorbed by your body to produce collagen, the protein that is a building block of bouncy and healthy hair. So silicone, which silica is related to, is frequently included in beauty products like hair conditioner to give your hair a soft, voluminous sheen. So when you put bananas on your hair, you are actually, saying goodbye to frizzy hair. So bananas are also good for your scalp. Like dandruff symptoms can be caused by irritation, dryness, as well as fungal and bacterial pathogens. Applying banana masks to your scalp can add moisture, cutting down on dryness, and also rid your scalp of those microscopic offenders causing your dandruff symptoms. Bananas also have antioxidants, which helps in hair growth. It can also infuse the scalp and your hair with a stronger defense system and decrease oxidative stress, a major cause of hair that looks brittle and aged. So bananas over time can lead to hair follicles that are stronger and leads to hair growth. So we are going to use some honey. So honey has emollients and humectant properties that add moisture to your hair follicles. This naturally smooths the hair shaft and restores shine, luster to frizzy, dry, curly, or dull hair. Its natural humectant properties seal in moisture to prevent future moisture loss. Honey can also boost natural highlights. Honey contains a natural enzyme called glucose oxidase. It also contains natural sugar called glucose. When the enzymes break down the glucose, it leaves behind hydrogen peroxide, which is known to lighten the hair by breaking down the melanin in the hair. While honey can't bleach the hair like chemical treatments, leaving honey on your hair for an extended period of time could boost your natural highlights without causing the damage associated with harsh chemicals. Honey will also prevent hair breakage and hair loss. Honey is loaded with vital nutrients for hair, including trace amounts of keratin. Keratin is a naturally occurring protein that adds structure and strength to hair. When combined with its antioxidant properties and moisturizing effects, this makes honey an excellent choice for combating hair fall and breakage. So we're also going to add our oil blend. So oil will actually lubricate, it will seal in the moisture, it will also soften the hair and lubricate the hair, and it will help with flexibility, sealing the moisture, and increase lubricity. Cajun. So you can use whatever oils that you have. So at this point, we are adding all our ingredients in our blender. You can even use a held hand blender or a masher. Both can work. So I just decided to use a blender. So that is how the ingredients looks like. But of course, the other ingredients are down. So we are going to blend. Make sure that it becomes a paste. Yes, so continue blending. So I blended for at least 5 minutes. So that is how the consistent looks like. So at this point, you can use a knee high or whatever gadgets to strain your mixture, because if you don't do that, there will be small particles being caught up in your hair and it will be quite a marathon to remove them. So of course, I'm going to show you the paste which is not supposed to go in your hair. So I just used this sieve, but of course I was having a challenge, but it did a job. It did work well. So subscribe to our channel if you haven't. Give this video a like, and make sure that you share this video to friends who may think they can benefit. So there are times when I use DIY, but of course I do formulate deep conditioners, but I thought to go with the DIY deep conditioner for today so that my hair could be nourished. Yeah, so that is how it looks like. So make sure that you kind of shake your strainer if you're using a strainer. So that is how the final product looks like. So if you think, yes, so those are the residues that you don't want to be caught up in your hair. Have you seen those small particles? So at this point, if you think that it is a kind of watery, you can add some thickener like guar gum or xanthan gum, or some starch if you so wish. So at this point, our DIY deep conditioner is ready, and we are going to apply it on freshly washed hair. So make sure that you avoid applying it. But of course, since this has a lot of benefits for the scalp, like the bananas, the aloe, I think you can apply it on your scalp, but make sure that you thoroughly rinse your hair. But I didn't add it on the scalp. So once I start applying, like this deep conditioner had a lot of slime. So I actually detangled my hair using this deep conditioner, like apply it generously on one particular section. Like I always work in sections, and I make sure that I apply it to all areas, as you can see. And make sure that you don't forget your edges as well, like so. Then I'll continue like just combing with my hairs, and then I twist that section so it has a lot of slip, friends. Then I'll continue applying it to other sections. So make sure that you apply it in sections so that you don't skip other areas, and you can even go in with a wide tooth comb if you so wish. And then once you are done, you can put on a plastic cup and sit under a bonnet hair dryer for 15 to 30 minutes. But if you had added some eggs, never should you sit under a bonnet hair dryer, because the eggs are going to be cooked. But of course, I don't usually use eggs, because some naturals think that eggs have benefits for the hair. They have proteins, but the proteins in eggs are very large and they can't penetrate the hair. So in most cases, I go for hydrolyzed proteins like wheat protein, silky protein. Very soon, I'm going to do a protein deep conditioner. Of course, I've ordered some materials, and they're still on the way. Yes. So continue watching, friends, and I'm going to share with you at the end how well moisturized our hair was. So at this point, I'm excited. I'm done. And that is how much is left. Like, we literally use everything. And then we're going to put on a plastic cup, and then we're going to sit under a bonnet hair dryer for at least 30 minutes to make sure that our products penetrates the hair. This is very, very important. Comment in the section below if you deep condition your hair with a plastic a bonnet hair dryer, or you sit under a whatever, like a hair dryer. I'd love to hear from you. So I'd sat actually for 30 minutes, but of course I didn't film the other part because I just didn't want it. So at this point, I had rinsed out my hair, and like, my hair was soft and lubricated. So I'm just braiding my hair there so that it can be straight. So I'll proceed to moisturize my hair, and I proceed to put in a protective hairstyle. Like, after moisturizing, I stretch my hair naturally. So I've done quite a number of videos on how you can stretch your hair without any damage, without using heat. I'll link them in the description box below. So thank you so much for watching. God bless you. See you in our next video.